Hey, I'm Will Coleman and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making cheesy chimichurri broccoli, and broccoli is my favorite veggie, so I'm pretty excited about this. This recipe is really special at HK. The entire team makes it weekly, so that must say something about how good this recipe is. It's honestly like broccoli casserole, but half the ingredients and half the time. If this recipe sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe to our channel to see future recipe videos. Okay, let's get this recipe started. I've went ahead and steamed my broccoli, so now it's time to make the base for this amazing recipe. We're gonna start off with some avocado mayo. Mix it with half the amount of our cheese. Today we're using white cheddar. And some herby chimichurri is going right inside. And finally, a pinch of salt. And how simple was that? The base of our broccoli recipe is all set. Now I'm going to add my broccoli into my bowl and toss it all together. This is a great dish to make if you're meal prepping or if you just love broccoli. Now that we have everything mixed together, I'm going to add my broccoli to my parchment lined sheet tray. It's important to spread your broccoli in a single layer so that every piece has the chance to get crispy. Now I'm going to add the rest of my cheese on top. All right, I'm putting it in the oven for about 15 minutes or until it's golden brown and crispy at 425 degrees. There you have it, our cheesy chimichurri broccoli is all set out the oven. It looks amazing. It looks extra, extra cheesy. I cannot wait to dive in. If you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a tastable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching, and as always, cook happy.